In today's video, we'll look at why you should acquire at least one BTC right now. Bitcoin accounts for around $156.7 billion of the world's money, and you don't have to be a member of an elite club to buy it. However, you should think about the optimum moment to buy Bitcoin in order to receive the best value. If you know when to buy Bitcoin, you can receive it at a better exchange rate than if you bought it later. Like stocks on the stock exchange, Bitcoin's value might fluctuate throughout the day. But first, welcome back to your own channel Cardano Insider, where you'll gain all the crypto knowledge. And please keep in mind that this video is not financial advice, therefore, do your own study before investing anyplace. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, let's go over Bitcoin's history. Bitcoin was the first digital currency to get the current crypto ecosystem since its birth. The publication of a white paper explaining the technology shortly after the 2008 financial crisis marked the silent beginning of the cryptocurrency revolution. For a long time, it had an underground following of investors who regarded it as a potential substitute for the physical monetary system. Bitcoin has now become a household brand as institutions and governments seek to meet their consumers' increasing need for exposure. Bitcoin has faced similar criticism to how the internet was previously regarded as a speculative investment. In actuality, Bitcoin's current acceptance rate outpaces that of the internet in 1998, and millions of individuals currently own Bitcoin, with the rate of adoption only increasing. El Salvador became the first government in the world to make Bitcoin legal tender in 2021, and Paraguay and other minor countries are expected to follow suit. El Salvador is also the first and only country with a treasury and Bitcoin. El Salvador possesses approximately 2,400 Bitcoin as of late 2022. President Nayib Bukele has been vocal about his purchases on Twitter. Is Bitcoin still a good investment, despite the risks? Buying Bitcoin, like any other speculative investment, certainly bears significant risk. As the traditional finance world recognizes Bitcoin's disruptive potential, it must choose whether to adopt cryptocurrencies or risk becoming irrelevant. One of the primary variables determining whether Bitcoin is a viable investment is its volatility risk, but it isn't always good or bad. The decision to invest in Bitcoin is based on your risk tolerance and your outlook on humanity's future. Russia, for example, has declared that it is investigating cryptocurrencies in order to reduce its reliance on the US dollar. Bitcoin has the potential to massively destabilize the US dollar, and it is simply too huge to ignore at this juncture. Bitcoin might be a terrific investment if this disruption is successful. The major reason a traditional investor might want to invest in Bitcoin is to protect themselves against inflation and the potential collapse of the fiat-based economy. Many investors are concerned about Bitcoin's volatility. However, volatility is projected to fall indefinitely as institutions and governments invest in the market for the long run. You're probably wondering where to invest in Bitcoin right now. A plethora of centralized cryptocurrency exchanges provide Bitcoin. The safest exchanges are headquartered in the United States, which also means you must follow the SEC's Know Your Customer compliance rules. For the purpose of taxation, to open an exchange account, you must provide your personal information, including your address and social security number. Once you have this, you're ready to get started. The following are the stages to investing in Bitcoin. Open an account with a cryptocurrency exchange, link a bank account, and deposit funds into your exchange wallet by Bitcoin BTC via wallet number 1. eToro is a popular cryptocurrency exchange. Investigate professionally managed portfolios and make contact with traders. Several prominent cryptocurrencies are presently supported by eToro for buy and trade. Check out the list of some of the more popular assets available to trade on eToro. Uphold is one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges available right now. It has an extraordinary selection of tradable assets, including over 200 digital currencies. On the same platform, it also provides precious metals trading. If that wasn't enough, it also includes a superb staking tool that allows you to stake a wide range of different cryptos at some of the market's best prices. Bitcoin ADA is ranked third. Bitcoin ADA's patented platform allows you to self-trade cryptocurrency at any moment, allowing you to respond as soon as the market changes. This is how it works. Make an account. After you create an account, you will receive your personalized dashboard and digital wallet. You must fund your account. Use a knowledge base to see live prices and learn more. Money transfer in 3 simple steps. You can transfer your IRA. Simply tell us how much you want to invest, how you want to finance your account, and some basic information about yourself. The majority of accounts will be ready to trade in 3 to 5 days. Begin trading by utilizing our exclusive platform to trade digital assets within your self-directed retirement plan. By entering the self-trading area within your dashboard number for public. You can buy, sell, or exchange at any time, from anywhere. Public.com is an excellent trading platform with a wide range of tradable assets, cheap fees, and an excellent user experience. Good. Public provides fee-free trading of over 9,000 stocks and ETFs, as well as modest costs for trading crypto and alternative assets. The general public does not have the same widespread support for cryptos as it does for stocks and ETFs, but it does support the vast majority of the largest and most popular cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Shiba, New Cardano, Solana, Polygon, and many other Bitcoin investment benefits. Bitcoin's outstanding performance as a currency and investment has attracted both traditional and institutional investors. They're all wondering if Bitcoin is a decent investment. To be honest, it has a number of advantages over regular investments. Liquidity because of the international formation of trading platforms, exchanges, and online brokerages. Bitcoin is probably one of the most liquid investment assets. With exceptionally minimal costs, you may instantaneously exchange Bitcoin for cash or assets such as gold. Bitcoin's high liquidity makes it a potentially ideal investment vehicle if you're searching for short-term profit. Because of their great market demand, digital currencies may potentially be a long-term investment. Lower the danger of inflation. Unlike global currencies, which are governed by governments, Bitcoin is almost immune to hyperinflation. It still experiences inflation, but at a predictable rate of 4 years. The blockchain system is endless, so there's little reason to worry about your cryptos losing value. New opportunities. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency trading are still in their infancy, and new coins are entering the mainstream on a daily basis. This newness comes with an unpredictable price and volatility swings, which may generate opportunities for big gains. Stock trading can be a time-consuming and inefficient procedure that can only be done during particular market hours. To trade a company's shares, you must also go through a broker. However, Bitcoin trading is simple. Simply purchase or sell Bitcoin whenever you want, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, from exchanges. Bitcoin transactions are also instant, as opposed to stock trading orders, which might take days or weeks to clear. Bitcoin investment disadvantages. Bitcoin may be the currency of the future, but you should be aware of the risks associated with cryptocurrency investing. The following are a few factors that could make Bitcoin a bad investment. Balancing the benefits and drawbacks is frequently the most critical thing an investor can do. Volatility. The price of Bitcoin is always fluctuating. If you bought Bitcoin on December 17, 2017, when the price was $20,000, you couldn't sell it for more than $7,051. While you were performing well at the time, holding for years at a time is not an option for all investors. Hacking is a risk. While the blockchain of Bitcoin has never been hacked, individuals can still be attacked if they give out sensitive information such as their private keys. Furthermore, lesser-known exchanges are frequently hacked. Use a hardware wallet, such as the Ledger Nano X, to store your digital assets off the internet on an external device for maximum security. Is Bitcoin a wise investment? With institutions incorporating Bitcoin into their balance sheets and El Salvador formally recognizing Bitcoin as legal tender, Bitcoin appears to represent the future of currency, or at the very least a recognized store of value. However, given the market's volatility, risk-averse investors are still unwilling to purchase Bitcoin, let alone any other cryptocurrency. Because Bitcoin is not controlled by a single body, its monetary policy is far more sound than that of any government. Bitcoin, according to ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood, is a rules-based monetary system. Because the rules of the code determine Bitcoin's monetary policy, governments are printing more money than ever before. Investors are looking for alternative assets to protect against inflation in the aftermath of the pandemic. Many are turning to Bitcoin to do so, encouraging long-term cryptocurrency acceptance. Is Bitcoin a worthwhile investment? It can be if you do your homework and invest correctly. Investors, on the other hand, may make Bitcoin a disastrous investment if they treat it like any other asset. So that's it for today's video. Remember to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you tomorrow in the next video. Peace out until then.